Good morning, fam. If your legs feel heavy when you wake up, like you're dragging yesterday into today, it's not just muscle fatigue, it's mobility stagnation. We're going to shift that from stiff to steady, from sluggish to strong. Let's hit the mat. Start with your feet hip-width apart. Soften your knees and slowly fold down, letting your arms hang or grab opposite elbows. This move is more than a stretch, it's a nervous system reset. I promise, it calms your mind while decompressing your spine and lengthening your hamstrings. Beginners keep knees bent and rest hands on thighs or shins. Advanced switches straighten legs more and deepen the fold with your breath. Can you feel the weight leaving your lower back? If not, release your neck and shake out the tension. Five seconds here. Let gravity do the work. That just gave your spine space. Now let's open up the side body. Come down to one knee. Right foot out to the side. Left knee down. Bring your right hand to your thigh and reach over, leaning to the left. The stretch is like opening a window in a stuffy room. I promise, it brings length to the torso and relief through the hip and obliques. Beginners stay upright and gently reach. Advanced switches sink deeper and lean into the stretch. Here's a twist. This move also wakes up your core. Five more seconds. Stay with it. That just opened your right side. Time to even things out. Switch sides. Left foot out. Right knee grounded. Left hand on thigh and reaching over. Leaning to the right. This side may feel tighter. It's completely normal. I promise, the asymmetry you feel now will become your greatest strength if you stay consistent. Beginners, light lean. Advanced switches, add a gentle pulse for depth. Do you feel that long line from your knee to your fingertips? If not, lift your chest and lengthen your reach. Five more seconds. That just released your sides. Now let's re-engage with flow. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, hands on the floor or on your thigh. Shift forward and back gently. Add arm reaches if it feels good. This isn't about being flexible, it's about being free. I promise this flow will improve how you walk, lift, and even sit today. Beginners, keep hands grounded and move slow. Advanced switches, add a twist or arm sweeps overhead. Did you know that tight hip flexors can affect your lower back and digestion? Can you drop your hips 1 inch lower? Five seconds. That just unlocked your hip flexors. Let's balance it out. Switch sides. Left foot forward, right knee back. Repeat the same gentle rock forward and back. You know what to do now. But here's a challenge. Can you make this side feel as smooth as the other? I promise, each rep you take here realigns your pelvis and strengthens your mobility base. Beginners, stay low and stable. Advanced switches, add rotation or back bend gently. Hold for the final 5 seconds, then close your eyes and breathe. That just centers your lower body and set the tone for the rest of your day. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily straight flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. All delivered daily to your email inbox, and it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you will have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and most importantly, God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.